Hello friends, welcome to my channel GK Notes. Today's video is about the Mahajanpad period. It would cover 22 questions which is a part of ancient history. If you like my video then please do share, like and subscribe my channel GK Notes. Question number 1. How many Mahajanpads were there? The answer is 16. Question number 2. Ang included which modern area and name its capital? So the modern area that Ang included is the district of Munger and Bhagalpur in Bihar, and the capital of Ang was Champa or Champanagari. Question number 3. Magad included which modern area and name its capital? So the present day Patna, Gaya and Nalanda formed the Magad at that time, and the capital of Magad during the reign of Bimbisar was Girivraj and Rajgiri. During the reign of Udayin was Patliputra. During the reign of Shishunag was Vaishali, and during the reign of Kalashok was Patliputra. Question number 4. Vajji included which modern area and name its capital? So Vajji included the present day district of Muzaffarpur and Vaishali, and the capital of Vajji was Videh, Mithila, Vaishali. Question number 5. Modern area and capital of Malla. So Malla included the present day district of Deoria, Basti, Gorakhpur, Siddharthnagar in Uttar Pradesh, and the capital of Malla was Kushinara and Pava. Question number 6. Modern area and capital of Kashi. So Kashi included the present day modern area of Varanasi, and the capital of Kashi was Varanasi. Question number 7. Modern area and capital of Kosal. So Faizabad, Gonda and Bahraich in UP constituted Kosal, and the capital of North Kosal was Sravasti or Sahit Mahit, and the capital of South Kosal was Saket or Ayodhya. Question number 8. Modern area and capital of Vats. So the present day district of Allahabad, Mirzapur constituted Vats, and the capital of Vats was Kausambi. Question number 9. Modern area and capital of Chedi. So Chedi, the present day Bundelkhand area was called Chedi, and the capital of Chedi was Shaktimati or Sodhivati. Question number 10. Modern area and capital of Kuru. So the present day Haryana and Delhi constituted Kuru, and the capital of Kuru was Indraprasth. Question number 11. Modern area and capital of Panchal. So Ruhelkhand, Western Uttar Pradesh constituted Panchal at that time. Capital of North Panchal was Ahichhatra, and the capital of South Panchal was Kampilya. Question number 12. Modern area and capital of Shurasen. So the present day Braj Mandal constituted Shurasen at that time, and the capital of Shurasen was Mathura. Question number 13. Modern area and capital of Matsya. Present day Alwar, Bharatpur and Jaipur in Rajasthan constituted Matsya, and the capital of Matsya was Viratnagar. Question 14. Modern area and capital of Avanti. So the modern area that constituted Avanti is Malwa. The capital of North Avanti was Ujjaini, and the capital of South Avanti was Mahishmati. Question number 15. Which Mahajanpad was between the rivers Narmada and Godavari? So the Mahajanpad that was between the rivers Narmada and Godavari was Ashmaka, and the capital of Ashmaka was Potana or Patli. Question 16. Which Mahajanpad was between western parts of Pakistan and Afghanistan? The answer is Gandhar, and the capital of Gandhar was Takshila near Rawalpindi in Pakistan and Pushkalavati. Question 17. Which Mahajanpad lied in the Hazare district of Pakistan? So the Mahajanpad that lied in the Hazare district of Pakistan was Kamboja, and the capital of Kamboja was Rajapur or Hataka. Question number 18. Which text present a list of 16 Mahajanpads? So we find a mention of the list of 16 Mahajanpad in Buddhist literature as well as in Jain literature. In Buddhist literature, in Angutar Nikaya and Mahavastu, and in Jain literature in Bhagavati Sutta. Question 19. Name some monarchical states. So some monarchical states during the Mahajanpad period were Ang, Magad, Kashi, Kosal, Vats, Chedi, Shurasen, Matsya, Avanti, Gandhar. Question 20. Name some republican states. Some republican states during the Mahajanpad period were Vajji, Malla, Kuru, Panchal, Kamboja, Shakya. Question 21. During this period, there was a struggle between 4 states for supremacy. Name them. So during the Mahajanpad period, there was a struggle between 4 states. They were Magad, Kosal, Vats and Avanti. And out of these 4 states, Magad emerged victorious. This is the last question, question number 22. Which state used elephant on a large scale? So the Magad state used elephant on a large scale during the Mahajanpad period. Thank you. My next video would be on the topic Haranyaka dynasty from 544 BC to 412 BC, which is also a part of ancient history. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel GK Notes.